Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. We have to talk about Base Chain. Base Chain is absolutely exploding, right? We're seeing a lot of volume on Solana, but in comparison to Solana, Base Chain is doing huge numbers, and so we're going to be taking a look at that, and I'm going to be taking a deeper look into a project that I think has potential to do well. And so if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And while you're down there, there is a link to Margex and MEXC if you're interested in leverage trading or getting onto a new trading platform with over 4,000 crypto assets to trade. So make sure to check those out. And so let's go ahead and jump right into the video here. Let's take a look at Base Chain. And so as I mentioned, this is exploding. Since March 14th, we saw a substantial increase in the daily active addresses and the daily transactions here. And so the active addresses was around 92,000. However, today we're at 855,000. So we've almost seen a 8 to 9x in the daily transactions just over the last couple of days. Now, same thing with the transactions, as I mentioned here, 400 to 2.1 million. So there's a huge increase there as well. And so this is definitely something to be paying attention to. When we're seeing these type of increases, a lot of money is potentially going to start flowing into the Base ecosystem, into many projects. Now let's do a quick comparison here, as I mentioned, with Solana, since that is exploding here as well. And so if I go ahead and add Solana here, we can see the comparison, right? This is also going up substantially. However, they've went from about 1 million daily active addresses to 1.8 million. So they've seen about an 80% growth. However, the comparison between Base here, going from 92,000 to over 855,000, they're seeing over an 800% growth. So about 10 times as much growth on Base as there is Solana. So let's go ahead and put this into a percentage value here. Now this is a much better comparison. You can see that Solana is going up, right? However, Base is growing substantially. This is absolutely insane, and I expect a lot of the cryptocurrencies on the Base ecosystem to start having very good returns. And so these are some of the cryptocurrencies to be paying attention to, right, that are built on Base ecosystem. And so I think it's time to quit ignoring Base. This is Coinbase's ecosystem that they are building, and so this could do extremely well, as the last bull run this was not around and did not get a lot of attention. And so I think that this bull run, it will start getting a lot of attention, and there'll be many projects on the Base chain that will have 10 to 50x returns. And so we're going to be talking about one today, and that is Earn Finance. And so Earn Finance is a protocol here that allows you to stake the EarnFi token and then earn Ethereum rewards. And so you can see here, you can earn Ethereum effortlessly on Base Chain Network by using EarnFi. And so EarnFi is the first of its kind in the EarnFi sector, where you can earn Ethereum just by holding EarnFi tokens, all of which is 100% automatically deposited into your wallet. So you don't have to go and collect the Ethereum from the wallet, pay gas fees. However, the gas fees are much cheaper on the Base chain, but it will be doing that automatically. And so you can earn financial freedom from the first EarnFi token. When you hold EarnFi, you will automatically get Ethereum deposited directly into your wallet. There is no need to connect a decentralized application, claim, or do anything at all. Completely hassle-free passive income. And so we can see here, as I mentioned, it is going to be depositing Ethereum rewards by holding EarnFi. And this is effortless earning. Like I said, you don't have to do anything. It will do it automatically. And so how are they offering these type of returns, right? And so EarnFi operates with a 7% buy and sell tax. So every time you buy the cryptocurrency, you have to pay 7% tax. Or if you're selling the cryptocurrency, you're also paying 7% tax. So 5% of that is directed back to holders in Ethereum rewards, and 2% is allocated to the project wallet. The collected tax is automatically converted into Ethereum and distributed among holders, maximizing your overall rewards. And so here's the contract address, the total supply, and as I mentioned, there is a 7% tax for buy and sell, and so that is something to keep in mind. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chart here. We can see this is relatively new, right? This was only launched 13 days ago. And so we can see it did have a spike up, it did pull back a little bit, and it's currently trading right around 20 cents today. Now this is still relatively small, only a $2 million market cap, so this is a higher risk asset. So make sure you do your own research into this, right? Look into it. Do not put more money in than you're willing to lose. If it sounds too good to be true, it possibly could be. And so this, like I said, it's still a new project. It is still getting up and running, and this does definitely look very attractive up front, as I think there could be potential to make a lot of money through the EarnFi protocol, especially as Base protocol is continuing to explode. And so we can go ahead and take a look at a post on Twitter here from Earn Finance. And so they are a hold to earn reflections token on Base. So essentially, you can buy EarnFi, hold on to it, and receive passive Ethereum rewards that are automatically sent to your wallet. So they have been live for 11 days, and so these are some stats they have. Right now, they have a current market cap right around $2 million, with a total holder count around 633, and so that is continuing to increase as the time goes on and more word gets out about this cryptocurrency. And then they have their total volume locked here, close to 1 million. So the total percentage of supply staked currently is right around 48%. So about half of the EarnFi is currently being staked, which allows people to earn the Ethereum, which gets passed on to their wallet automatically. So you can see here the total rewards given out already has been $115,000. And so that's roughly 10% of the total volume locked for staking, which I think is very good. If they've been live for 11 days and they paid out almost 10%, we're talking almost 1% per day right now with this cryptocurrency. Now that could change at any time. And so let's go ahead and take a look at another post on Twitter here as well. So with over $1 million worth of EarnFi tokens in the staking pool, our transferless staking is about investor safety. When you stake, it's transferless, meaning that your tokens never leave your wallet. And so let's go ahead and take a look at their decentralized application on Earn Finance here. And so you can go ahead and purchase tokens. Right now they have 48.54% of the tokens currently being staked. And then once you are staking those here, you can see your staked EarnFi tokens, the amount you have in USD, your share, and then your pending EarnFi rewards. So you can decide to claim the earnings, or you can continue to compound those earnings. And so this is something that could be very beneficial. If you're earning some, you could continue to compound. And since it is percentage based, you could continue to build more and more Ethereum up by staking those EarnFi tokens, especially if the value of EarnFi continues to increase, since this is a relatively new project. So one other thing I do want to note is this application is decentralized and is provided with no guarantees or warranties of any kind. So that's something definitely to keep in mind with these type of protocols, that nothing is guaranteed, right? I mean, you might see an APY here at 75%. It may look very good. I would not be dumping in a massive amount of money into this cryptocurrency because sometimes these may end up not doing well. We've seen this type of thing in the past. And so that's something definitely just to keep in mind if you are participating in this. So if you're interested in buying EarnFi, you can go back to their website here. You can click on buy EarnFi, and then that will bring you over to SushiSwap here. And so there's two different things that you might have to do. If you're familiar with base chain, you can go ahead and turn off cross-chain swap, and then you can go ahead and just switch over to base chain here. And then once you're on base chain, you could convert your base chain Ethereum or your USDC over to EarnFi using their contract address. However, what I had to do here is go from Ethereum to the base chain. So I had to change this over here. And then once you connect your wallet, you can take your Ethereum and then you can convert it over to EarnFi. And so you can go ahead and pull the address from their website. That's what I recommend here. Down at the bottom, you can see that their contract address is right there. So make sure you're pulling it from a site that is trusted. And so make sure you're on the earnfinance.org there. And so once you do that, you can go ahead and convert Ethereum to the base chain, and then you will need Ethereum on the base chain to pay the transaction fee. It is very small, but you will need to convert that over, so that is something to keep in mind. So as I mentioned, there's potential here that this cryptocurrency could do extremely well, especially as the base chain is really starting to explode, right? The active addresses are going crazy. This is a huge spike. This is something to not ignore. This is something to be paying attention to. And as I mentioned, maybe Earn Finance is not exactly what you're looking for, but I would recommend looking into any of these other cryptocurrencies that are going to be building on base chain, as these will start doing very well moving forward. And so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And make sure to check out those links underneath the video to MEXC and Margex if you're interested in signing up for a new platform. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.